Today I'm going to show you how to change the thermostat. It's only 2 wire, unless you actually have AC also, but it's only 2 wire. Actually, you connect to your thermostat. Alright, remove that. Usually I just cut the wire. So. Okay. I'm always about to run a new wire. See, as you can see, thermostat's only 2 wire, red and white. Somehow they use it blue and white, so it doesn't matter. That's all, because this is this 5 wire here, so that's the old wire. So I'm just going to use that one. Make sure you got connecting with the furnace the same wire. Okay, but right now it's just go pretend these are the blue one is red, that one's white. Okay. Remove the plate. Thank you. Thank you again. Whole house is always dusty. Okay, you got your 2 plate out. Sometime there you go. Got your thermostat. New thermostat. Okay, like a lot of people don't realize it. The first thing you need to do is check your thermostat. If something's wrong with your heating system and that, before you actually call a heating and cooling company. Okay. So check your thermostat. Check the battery. Sometimes the whole thermostat is actually messed up also. Okay. Yeah, this is like $65. That's it. Okay. Got your thermostat here. Okay. Got your battery. Oh, I don't even know if they give me battery with it. They didn't give me any battery. They gave me a wall plate. That's it. Okay, all you need to do is see what's the red. And That's it. See, press down the two side, press down that side, push it in, press down that, push it in. That's all you need. And then you got your screw socket right here. No kit's going to be pulling back and forth. Oh yeah, I do need to put it. Yeah. Oh, you need to. Good small screwdriver. That's it. Okay. And when you put the screw in, it expands. See? That back on. I don't have the battery with me, but that's it, see it. Just put the latch in and push it in. So you push it in. And you want to remove it, let's just touch a paint right there. Move it, just pull it out. Okay, this one is simple, push it in. That's how you change the thermostat. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you, I appreciate it. Okay, you have a good one.